Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show the project demonstration for my project, which is Reddit engine and RESTful APIs using Golang. So before moving to the project demonstration, I would like to give a quick summary of how we approached to solve the problem. So for building the Reddit engine, we use the protoactor in Golang, and we mainly developed four different types of actors as per the project requirements. So the engine actor is a master actor, which is responsible for accepting all the requests on the engine and distributing them to the different actors by sending them the messages. Now for the RESTful APIs. For RESTful APIs, we have used Gin in Golang. It is very convenient to use Gin to handle the RESTful APIs. And also, as per the project specifications, we were instructed to follow the Reddit-like structure for the APIs, the similar one. So we have tried to do that. So for user, we are maintaining a specific string URL structure, and for subreddit as well. We have tried to keep more APIs for the subreddit because we wanted to show the clients more interacting with the subreddits rather than the user profiles. So some of the functionalities which we will see surely in a few seconds in the demo. And having said this, let's quickly switch over to the demo part. And before starting with the demo, let me introduce you to the project structure. So this is our project structure, and in the API folder, I have kept my server file, and the other folder contains nothing but the client files. So I have created multiple clients and I have tested our system thoroughly so that it works with high precision when the multiple clients try to interact with the server. So now let's see it in action. And for simplicity, I will be using the two clients only so that I will be able to explain it in a much better way. So first, let's make our server live. Otherwise, we won't be able to hit the API calls. So now our server is live and it is hosted at localhost 8080. And now we are ready to trigger our client scripts, which will be sending requests to this API. But before doing that, um, let's have a quick look at what this client contains. So this is my client one and this is my client two file. And they contain few requests in different order, obviously. So they are registering themselves, they are creating some subreddits, they are making posts in it, they are also sending messages to each other, and also there is, yeah, a comment as well, and many more stuff. So now let's quickly have a look at the working of this code. So I'm going to use two different terminals to trigger two different clients, and this client will be hitting to the same API. So let's see it in action now. I will trigger the client one and I have triggered the client two. So as we can see over here, both users have registered themselves. Now, why is it taking time? Because I have added 10 seconds of delay so that it will be easier for me to explain the video demonstration of the project. Now, as you can see, both of the clients tried to see if there is any subreddit. There was nothing because we have just started our application. So both of them created one of their choice. So this one created USA and this one created UFL. And we can see both of them has also joined the respective subreddits. Now we will see like different kind of actions performed by them. So as we can see, this user has made a post in the subreddit USA, and even this user. Now the user one is trying to see what all subreddits are available, and it has correctly listed out both of the subreddits, USA and UFL. And this client meanwhile is interacting with the other user. So it is trying to send the message to that user, and it has sent a message. We will able to see that message over here in some time. See, the message is here. So when this client opened its inbox request, it is able to see the incoming message, and it has also responded to user 2, which we will be able to see it in some time in the client to terminal. As we can see, these clients are meanwhile also interacting with different subreddits. See here, it was interacting with UFL, now it has switched to USA and making different requests. This client has also made a post in the subreddit USA. Now this client has again opened its inbox and we can see the messages over here. And this was an outgoing response from them. So this client has finished its work, but this is one is still running. And it has also added a comment that I agree with you on the post one in subreddit UFL. And yes, we can also see that we received an incoming message from the client one, which is hey. So we have implemented all the functionalities where the user can not only interact with the subreddits but can also interact with themselves by sending the messages. We are keeping track of the messages as well, like who has sent the message in the conversation. For example, the first message was sent by this client, which was hello greetings. So it is outgoing one and it is here incoming one. And similarly, this one is outgoing one and this one is incoming one. So we have seen our code working in action, and we can also check that this is our server which was triggered by us, right? So we can see multiple requests were shoot at this server, okay? And so this was all about it. And if we want to make this code more faster, we can just simply remove this delay code snippet from the code, and the code will run like 10 times faster. So that was all about the Reddit engine APIs and the RESTful APIs using Golang. And thank you very much.